This is different. Hi. Anyway, hi guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. Alright, so today we are not in a studio, we're actually in the kitchen. We're going to be doing something different, and it's going to be something that I literally have been wanting to do for a month, but I was a little too lazy to do last month, so I did it this month. And I'm doing it now in the middle of the month because that's when I go back to campus. I don't know when everybody else goes back to campus or whatever, but I'm going back tomorrow literally, and today's the perfect time. It's a Sunday for me to just get my meal prep in order so that I can do a lot less spending this semester, because I really realized that last semester food is so expensive, and especially at my school, I go to Vega Johannesburg and they are ridiculous. Like, they make no sense. It makes no sense. Why is a bottle of water 19 rand? Why is a bottle of water? Come on. No, I really also have a sweet tooth. Like, I've got tendencies that will make me spend all my money, basically. Like, I am obsessed with anything with sugar, and obviously with sugar tax and all that stuff, the things I like are expensive, period. You know what I'm saying? And I also am one of those people that like buy bottles of water, buy coffee. All those little things always add up. And the thing about it is, if I'm just smarter, I can end up saving a lot more money this semester and just use it on stuff that I actually want. Use it on speakers, use it on shoes, use it on other things that I need for my channel also, and stuff like that. Like, I do not need to be spending all that money on food. And if you are having those issues, then great video to watch, because today we're going to be going into that. And I would not be cooking if it wasn't saving me money, because what is cooking? what if it wasn't saving me money, I would not be doing this thing. But it's not going to be hectic, it's not going to be something crazy, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So the difference between what I'm doing today and like anything else is that I'm going to be meal prepping, but I want to do weekly meal prepping. You can do monthly, bi-weekly meal prepping, and all you do is you freeze your food, but I'm going to be doing weekly. And the reason why I'm doing the whole meal prepping thing is because I'm going to basically be making food before time, so that on the days that I need to like go to campus or whatever, I just grab something out of the fridge and I leave. The main reason why I was spending so much at school is because I wasn't taking the time at home to prep stuff so that it's easier for me. So because of time and stuff like that, I couldn't actually cook something the day I'm going to campus, like that morning, or the day before, something like that. Doing it the day before was also just like not, like, I'm not gonna be here every day. I'm not gonna be here every no, it's not happening. So I just decided that, you know what, we're gonna meal prep. And yeah, that's basically my intro. Disclaimer, I live at home, so I only meal prep for campus food. That's it. That's all I meal prep for. Breakfast, I'll have it at home. I'm obsessed, like I'm literally a crackhead for cereal. I eat cereal every morning, and that's like super easy. And for nighttime, my mom's here, she'll cook. I can't. And she also likes cooking, come on man. That's just a disclaimer. If you do live at res or whatever and you want to do this just to save money on breakfast and dinner, then basically do the same thing, but just do it for dinner as well. And if you need meal prep ideas, there are loads and loads of videos on YouTube, and there are also great resources on Pinterest. So I'm going to be showing you what I did, and I literally want to kill and hang myself because I didn't do this sooner.
Make 'em whistle like a missile, bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up, Make 'em whistle like a missile, bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up,
So let's do a mini haul first, okay? And then after our mini haul, we're going to do my tips and stuff like that, and we're gonna get started because we're doing it this month. Okay, so first thing I got were, what are they called? Spanish Sante, I don't know. Got those for my salad, a thing of lettuce. Then I got a whole pack of chicken nuggets, a whole thing of cheese, cucumber, chicken burgers, I got those. I spend so much money buying popcorn and like chips and all of that stuff. And I got 2 of these. These are literally going to last me because I go to campus 4 times a week. So these are gonna last me 2 weeks. I can't believe myself. Oh, and then I got these. These are my favorite thing on planet Earth. I literally buy so many of these things and I feel like a kid because I just like juice boxes like Capri Sun, all of that shit. I love it because it's so sugary and I actually have an issue. I have a issue when it comes to sugar. So yeah, I decided that I'm gonna make myself little sweet hampers because I literally, you guys have no idea. Like sometimes at the end of the week, you'll see all the packets of like wine gums and all these things in my bag because I just have an issue. So I got a whole lot of sweets and then I got some tuna. I got 2 things of tuna, and then one thing I spend so much money on and I really don't understand why I keep buying so many of these things, but I spend a lot of money on water and I decided to get myself a 6-pack of water. So yeah. Also, if you are trying to be healthier, I personally, you guys saw from my little haul, I'm not trying to be like extremely healthy, but if you are trying to be a little bit healthier, then you can do the same thing, use the same steps, but you can just substitute things with like more healthier options, and that would make being healthy much quicker. I just personally didn't want to keep having the same thing at school, spending the same amounts, the same obscene amounts at school, and also I didn't want to spend a lot of time. I didn't want meal prepping to be time consuming for me, basically. So I wanted everything to be done at one time. Therefore, we will get started. So what I did when I started meal prepping is I wrote everything down, like with everything in my freaking life. I write everything down first, and it kind of gave me a map of what I wanted to do. So I did really want to not eat the same thing over and over and make it boring. So I decided that I was gonna make myself a little meal prep menu, and that would basically guide me in order to know what I should get and what I shouldn't, and like just not to go into the store without a plan, because then I'm just taking random things and at the end of the day I don't know what I'm gonna make. Therefore I'm wasting my money. I'm not going to make something and I'm going to end up buying things on campus. So I'll read you guys my menu. Oh no, I got chips at home. I didn't get those because I got them at home, but you can just get a packet of frozen chips. Yeah. So the very first thing that I wanted on my day 1 is something that I always get on campus, and it's like, I don't know how much it is, I forgot, but I got chips and I wanted to do like chips and nuggets or like chips and strips or something like that. So I did get my nuggets and I did have my chips at home. So there's that. And then on the second day I did want a tuna salad. Love those bitches. I really like tuna salads. And then on day 3 I wanted a burger and chips, what I normally would buy on campus. And on the 4th day I just wanted like a chicken mayo sandwich, a tuna sandwich, or a cheese sandwich, something that I feel like is super easy to make, throw into your bag and you're done. And when it comes to meal prepping, you can't do everything on your meal prep day. That's another really important thing you have to consider. Stuff like making your burger and like completing it, you can't do that. You need to make just the meat, and then the day you go on campus, instead of making your whole burger and chip from the beginning, all you do is slice up your bun, put your little patty in there, and then you can go. So meal prepping isn't going to make your food stale or disgusting. You just do what you can do so that you save time during the weekend, so you have the variety and so that you can do all of your saving and stuff like that. And then from my meal menu, basically I also wrote down extra things that I normally find myself buying at school. So some sort of sweets. I normally get boxed like a whole lot of juices. I don't necessarily buy soda at school. It's not something I do, so I didn't put it on my menu because it's something I don't buy. And I also get like some sort of chip, like some sort of chips or like popcorn is something I really be paying mad money for. I really like those. So from my menu, I saw like what I had on a certain day, and then I broke down that meal into ingredients, and then I put it in a shopping list so that I would get absolutely everything and I don't miss out on anything. And then for my salad, I broke it down, like I wrote lettuce, tuna, tomato, cucumber, dressing, and I put that all down on my shopping list. Whatever I had in the house, I ticked off. Whatever I had in the house, I still wrote down, but I ticked it off. And then I went shopping, and whatever was ticked off, I didn't touch. I just went to go buy the things that I didn't already have at home. So I'm not spending more money on things that already are at home. So yeah, and then now everything is here, so we can get started with actually meal prepping. And I'm gonna meal prep not necessarily each day at a time, but like items at the time. So all my frozen things I'm gonna put in the oven all at the same time, so I'm not wasting any time. And I will bring you guys through that so that we can do this, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it, you know. And yeah, if you don't know how to cook, then this is the video for you, because I don't know how to cook either. So whatever I can do, you can do, my love. Trust me, I'm literally the balls on the floor with me. So we can get started. So chips, chicken wings, and then salad, tuna, all of that. Burger and chips, so burger as well. So here are all the frozen things that I'm going to be prepping, and I'm going to do these all at once. So like I said, I'm not with the pots, so I'm going to put everything in the oven. Ooh, I can use this thing. I can use one of these things. Nah, okay, that's enough. So I'm going to be having chips on 2 days. So I'm going to put 2 servings of chips on there. This is definitely something I do not feel like doing the day before. 1 serving of chicken nuggets. And then we're also going to put our, can you guys see? Okay, so that's done. I don't know where you have to put this, so I'm just gonna put it there. And then I'm gonna what the fuck? Oh, there's something in here. Where is it? Oh. Okay, I can put this in it. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it in there. And that's quite a lot done actually. So with the salad, I am not going to chop lettuce, chop cucumber. No, I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now. I'm gonna take half because I'm not too sure how much I'm gonna need, so I'm gonna start off with half. I don't know if this is the right knife for what I'm doing, but it's working, so ASMR. I'm gonna lift my lettuce, just put it under here. I just don't want days, you know when you get a salad and it's got no cucumber? I hate that shit. And then we're gonna take these bad boys right over here, and then I can just got bacon bits, bitch. Yes. So that's done. Okay, so day 2 is done. Burger and chips is done. Oh, when it comes to my burger, like I explained, I'm going to be doing all the fancy schmancy stuff, but I do have the cheese for my burger. So I'm just, when I cut up my bun, I'll just pop the cheese in and I'll be done. And then I do want a tuna sandwich. Those are really good and those are really easy, and all I have to do for the tuna sandwich is drain out tuna and put mayo in it. I like tuna with the mayo, and then on the day I'll just toast some bread and I will slot the tuna in. The last thing I have to do is just prep this, and I am basically done. All I have to do is wait for this and I'll be done. Hey. And then I'm going to take this, I'm just going to hold it like that, and I'm going to press it while the water flows out. Is it water? What is in this thing? Put all the tuna in there. Take some mayo. Take some mayo. I'm going to close that up. And my tuna is ready for my day 4 sandwich. It's ready on that, and I'm done. Twerking in the kitchen, twerking in the kitchen, twerking in the kitchen. Where you wanna twerk, I wanna twerk in the kitchen. Where you wanna twerk, I wanna twerk in the twerk, 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 twerk. Twerk in the kitchen. And then I'm just gonna clean up. While you guys are at this position, I've got 3 of these. So one of them is gonna have the meal prep stuff. I think all the chips and everything will fit in one, and then obviously I'll take one on campus. If I need a third one, I'll use that. Just like that. Okay. Alright, you guys, so we're done. We're done basically. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, then let me know in the comment section, and also let me know by liking and subscribing to this video. I had so much fun. This was a bit of a different video for my channel, but I did want to just give you the scoop. I mean, a lot of us are varsity students, and you guys can relate to what I'm talking about. And if you obviously do not live at home and you want to meal prep and do that for dinner and breakfast, then there are loads of videos on YouTube for you to watch, or you can just use the same method but do it also for in the morning and at night. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I am famished, I'm tired, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go have dinner. But yeah, I'm done for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next upload. Bye guys.